Hello and welcome to Castle's Corner. I'm Coach Castle, back again with my good friend Quincy.
Yes.
And this is just before the end of the first week. We are currently 6 days in. On Monday we're going to be doing a podcast discussing the first week and everything that went along with it. But we just wanted to update you. We're going to be starting a new mini-series where we learn one new skill every week simply by practicing 5 minutes a day, 7 days a week. Learn and master a new skill that will carry on for the rest of your life. So, are you excited?
Yes, I'm very excited. Wait, we have to tell them what it is.
Well, why don't you tell them? What are we doing the first?
Handstands.
Handstands.
Very excited.
So the first one that we're going to learn this week is a weekly progression going from obviously nothing into handstands. So as soon as we finish filming this, we're going to pop over to the gym where there's rubber floor, so Quincy doesn't hurt themselves. And
I'm a good lawyer.
And then we're going to do handstands, get into the progression. We'll film the first 5 minutes, and progressively for the next 5 minutes, every time that we do the handstands, we'll be filming it, so you guys can keep track of the progress and see how easy it is to learn a new skill. So, any other thoughts to share on this? Are you excited for the new challenge on top of everything else?
I'm so excited. But honestly, so excited because I used to be able to do them when I was like really small. I was doing gymnastics, and now I'm getting retaught how to do these because I have no idea how to do it. And every time I try, I just don't even understand the mechanics of it. So I'm really looking forward to that.
So guys, just so you know, that's about it, other than just keep in touch for the other 5 minutes that we'll show you a little clip of after this. And so the first week we're going to do handstands. The next week I have a few ideas I'm kicking around with, maybe a 3-minute breath hold or something. I haven't decided yet, but leave ideas in the comments below, guys. And that's about it. So, make a triangle. Hands clasped. Head, top of the head in the hands. And remember, keep this kind of flat. You're going to round it when you go up. Knees as high over here as you can. You're going to go up on your tippy toes. You're going to straighten your legs. I'm going to keep a hold on you, so you're not going to go anywhere. Don't worry. Okay. It's your job just to learn and figure out and find your balance. That's all. That's all. And remember, you're always in control, and you'll do better if you breathe slowly. There's no reason to breathe in a panicked way. Breathe slowly, pretend you're over a fire pit about to die, and you have to find a way out of this whatever. You know what I mean? Like, figure it out. Okay. Got to think rationally and slowly, you're going to die. All right?
Yes.
Up. Straighten your legs like you're jumping. Lean forward. Feet together, feet together. Okay. Breathe slow. Don't panic, breathe slow. Touch my other hands. Okay, one foot at a time. And go back. One foot at a time, go forward. Back. Forward. One foot at a time, forward. Back. Forward. Back. Alright. Slowly bend. Bend the knees.
Oh, hell yeah.
Alright, go say something to the camera. See how easy that was.
I did that. Wow. I forgot what that felt like.
So, that was the first 2 minutes of practice. We didn't even need 5 minutes. So the first 2 minutes, guys.